Hi, I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper. On this series of Off the Shelf, I want to talk to you a little bit about this wonderful little, awesome little portable folding barbecue grill. Perfect for the backpack, very easy to set up, and this is a quick unboxing and a quick informative segment of what this is. So, if you've been scanning those little tags throughout the store, you may have noticed something new that we're doing here. And this is a very flat, compact, easy to use grill. And simply two main pieces and four of these little hooks that or stakes, whatever you want to call it, which I'm going to show you how to set this up real quick. So first, the simple assembly. It needs to look like it does on the box. And the easiest way to do that, simply slide these through each side, the corners, and a very simple setup, takedown. Now, the cool thing is with these grills, not only are they very flat, they can slide right in your pack. You can use a number of different fuel options. So you can, if you're tailgating or you have charcoal, maybe just using it on your deck, porch, patio, whatever, for something quick. It's nice and easy. What I do recommend is when you're done, just have a small little shopping bag to put it in. This way you don't get any of the soot or anything in your pack. You can wrap it in your tarp or anything like that. Now, wasn't that easy? Nice, quick, easy to set up. Light it, grill goes right on top. And charcoal burns down, or you have coals in there from wood, maybe fuel tablets or whatever. You just cook right on it, and then a nice easy cleanup. Again, grill comes off. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I do on mine is once you fold it, I like to grill right over top and right back into your pack. Very simple setup and takedown. Multiple fuel sources that you can burn in here, and very quick, easy, down and dirty way. This even has a nice little flue on the side, so you can open it up to get air in there. And it also has some other holes here to get some nice cross ventilation on the bottom. So very handy, not bad for less than $20. And we sell these right at the Zombie Outpost. Thanks for tuning in to Off the Shelf.